एवरीवन, सो वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। और जो लोग मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, let me tell you, my name is Purnima and today I came to Huddersfield to meet my friend Siona. Few days ago we met in one shop, but that time we were together for 40-45 minutes, so we decided to meet because it's after a long time. Before that we were living nearby, she was also living in she's still living in a student accommodation, but I moved to somewhere, so it's very rare to get a chance to meet. So here she is, my friend.
Hi.
She is Siona, and as I already introduced her, she is studying BSc nursing in University of Huddersfield. And yeah, this is her room. You can see this is a student accommodation and it's really good. If you see according to a student perspective, then it has everything. But yeah, before this year she was living in same accommodation but in different room. Their room was little bit spacious, more spacious. This is little bit congested. Finally today we are going to have our tea, and no, not like this. I have to start it in some other way.
Please,
Okay.
I have to bring the tea powder.
Okay, no problem. So welcome to all of you in Siona's kitchen. Sorry, not Siona, it's a chef Siona kitchen. So today Siona will teach how to make tea.
Oh my.
First of all, before that I will show you the kitchen because it's also a student accommodation kitchen. As you can see, this is the door. Now Siona also came. This is the door. So from here you will enter, and this is just a notice board. So if you want to announce anything, it's a block. It's a block. So in this block there are 4 flats, and this is a shared kitchen. So if you want to notice, if you want to inform something or anything, you can put that thing here. Okay, so these are the some informations. That's all. And then here it's one TV, and these are sofa, so you can have a good time with your flatmates here. And this is cupboards. These all are cupboards, and this is fridge, all knows. So here this is oven, gas stove, and there it's a microwave, and these are dustbins. That's all. So now we are going to watch how the South Indian tea is
I prepared this onion bhaji.
Thank you so much. So these are the onion bhajis. Sorry friends, I couldn't show that recipe because Siona prepared just few minutes ago. So I was not here. So I'm so sorry. But yeah, by fragrance I can tell it's yummy, it's good, and it's crispy also. As I can see the look. It's really good. Yeah, it's actually good, yaar. Chalo guys. And this is a very good brand, 3 Roses, and it's very famous in South India, right? Because in North India I never saw this brand, 3 Roses. Actually it has everything, it's a masala tea, है ना? It has everything.
Yeah, I think so. No, I didn't bought the masala one.
Okay, it's a plain.
Yeah, I will add the ginger.
Okay, then Dinesh, he also ordered 3 Roses na, but it had masala.
Oh.
Okay. So in North India also we have lot of teas like Red Label, and in every brand there are lot of varieties available. So same like this, they have masala tea, plain tea, everything. Oh sorry.
It's alright.
So now this is the plain tea. This is a cute little glass. Yeah, seriously, it's so cute. Yeah.
We don't need to remove the skin, right?
No. I add directly. So now she's adding ginger in the tea. After that, we'll show you one by one, step by step. Here it's elaichi. What you call in your language elaichi?
Yelaka.
Huh?
Yelaka.
Elaka.
Yelaka.
Yelaka. So this is Yelaka, guys.
Yelaka.
Yeah, this is Yelaka. And what you call ginger? Inji. Okay, so now we added inji and elleka in the.
more water. I added only 1 glass of water.
Okay.
I think
For 2 cups, na? Add it.
I will add more than 1 cup of milk.
Okay. Then I don't know, na? You know everything.
Okay.
Guys, it's not only South Indian tea, it's a South North Indian mixture tea.
Yeah,
It's a whole
because-
India tea.
Yeah. Like I am preparing according to her taste.
Why my taste, yaar?
You like more water, na? Than milk.
It's not like that.
I think that's enough, right?
Okay. And I'm telling you guys, this 3 Roses is actually good. If you add little bit, na, the color and fragrance, everything is amazing. But I never saw it in North India. At the same time, she's cleaning also. So for a student, it's a very good thing because at home everyone clean at the same time, but for students they usually don't clean. And this whole kitchen, guys, I'm telling you, this whole kitchen, whatever the setup you are seeing and the cleanliness, na, she did by herself. She is actually very clean. And if you see her room, na, when I will give you that home tour, na, then you will see she's maintaining her room also. Yeah, that's true. Don't laugh.
Okay.
This is the color where most of the people go mad for tea. The fragrance is so good. Guys, she is making tea because of me only. Because I said I will come. You have to do one promise. You have to make tea for me.
When you asked for promise, I was like, what she's gonna asking? I was like afraid. Oh, she's going to ask something like different.
Serious
At
thing.
last, like you said, just tea. I was like, oh, what? For this, you are asking promise from me.
This time when you went to India, then that time you brought that tea powder.
Yeah.
But what? Are you drinking tea? You
No,
never.
I never drink.
Then
Yeah, when you are coming, we can drink tea.
Chalo. Guys, she brought that tea powder only for me. Only for me. Thank you. What is this? This is
Jaggery powder.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I bought that Shankar brand, na?
Yeah.
It's also very good.
Yeah, good.
Okay. What is that green moringa powder?
Yeah, this one is moringa powder. This one is curry leaves powder.
Okay, but how you identify it?
So I'm only using now. So left side I keep the curry leaves, right side moringa. Every morning when I get up, I used to drink this with hot water.
Guys, please tell me in the comments. Can you identify like which one is moringa and which one is curry leaves? I can more zoom. No, it's fine.
No, you can't identify.
You
but-
can't. Even in real also, it's looking same. You can't
Yeah.
identify.
Yeah, if you open, we can find it using the fragrance.
Fragrance. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Chalo, that's good. That's nice. And
Yeah, this is.
how she maintained her cupboard, cabinets, kitchen cabinets. See, guys. Oh my god! Seriously, it's so good, yaar. Seriously, it's too good. Tea is ready, yeah. I'm so happy. मेरी खुशी सिर्फ वही लोग जान सकते हैं जो चाय के दीवाने हैं. I'm saying only the people can understand my happiness who are like madly in love with tea, who are loving tea madly. This is the main process, guys. This is the main thing.
Yeah, when we are doing that, concentrated thing will come in this.
Yes. The main flavor. Hey, you took-
No. I am drinking tea only for you. Seriously. And I didn't.
promise we will make tea again.
Yeah, we will make tea again. You drink this tea taste it and then tell. We can alter if you don't like it.
My all the followers, they are like witness of this.
Okay.
Guys, she promised me she will make tea again in the evening
Okay.
with me, and she will drink full cup.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hey, we can do half na.
No, that's enough for me. We have that onion bhaji, na?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So shall I take it?
yeah, we are going to.
And what about this plate?
Just like keep it for covering. We will take in another plate or like we will. bring that
It's
one.
up to you. It's up to you. Whatever you feel like.
Like, can you finish all the bhaji?
You're all I can't finish. If I finish all na, then I can't eat anything else. It's a lot. Little bit take it. Little
Then
bit
we
keep
will
it.
take it accordingly how much we are going.
Okay. For you, it's cold. It's too good for me. It's fine. Okay, what kind of a movie? Haunted, comedy?
Whatever. Okay, yeah. I like the whatever movie you like, So don't worry.
I'm trying to log in Netflix. My account, my sister, baby.
I want most you can take
No
from.
problem. Like she made for me that onion bhaji. As you can see, it's too yummy. I just tried. Hey, Netflix is working in yours.
Oh, I don't know.
It's your account.
My account. I don't have
See,
Netflix.
Sona Sneha
Just
just
Nova, Sona's account.
okay.
Then
Then
Sneha.
I don't know. The name is coming Sneha.
Maybe she gave to someone. Sona Netflix, I think. Then you said that movie.
Yeah, that's what I'm searching. She has a kid account or what?
No. Everything is available.
Yeah, why there is no movie option? Acha, yeah.
Hey, that drama. I want to not now. Like later.
No, we will watch drama also. But I'm thinking to watch something haunted.
Yeah, something finish it like so like 2 hours are there. Tea is getting cold. Drink. I finished almost. I finished it.
For me, it's seriously perfect. I'm loving this hotness.
Okay. You said that movie Kill something.
Oh, Kill. It's on Prime, yeah. It's not on this.
You watched already, right?
Yeah, I watched.
So then let's watch some other thing that you don't watch before.
Did you watch The Silent? Silent. Huh, with you, I didn't watch anything. You didn't watch anything. It's fun. Yeah, The Silence. It's good. Have you watched?
No. Have it. I'm the only one eating.
Yeah.
We have to eat this after cooking. I did a mistake.
After cooking means?
In hot condition.
No problem. I like
Turn on
that.
the switch. Connection.
E and this G. Both are good. Now we are going to watch movie The Silence. Yeah. It's actually good. I watched one time, but it's actually good, so I can watch again also. She can watch, so I want to watch with her.
Okay. But we can watch some Indian movies. Is it good?
First, tell me seriously, what do you want to watch? No, tell me seriously.
Like Indian movies. It's English movie, haunted movie.
It's a haunted movie, haunted
Okay.
kind. Not a haunted like you can say like monsters comes, na, then so there is something like that. Is it okay?
Okay.
You will enjoy that.
Okay.
If you are in a mood to watch haunted or something suspense, haunted type, then you will definitely enjoy.
Okay then. Yeah. Okay.
If you want to watch some Bollywood movie, I can play that also. No
If
problem.
there is anything good.
Did you watch the Buckingham Palace?
No.
That's a Bollywood movie, but shooted in UK.
Oh, is it like good?
Yeah, it's good. Hindi movie.
We have subtitles, right?
Yeah. Then why? We both watch English now.
Okay.
She is always confusing me. She is just like my sister. My sister is also, you tell. What do you want? But even if they want to do something, they will not tell. They will keep asking you, you tell what you want. Yeah, what is it?
Okay, let's watch.
Right, systems for instance, chamber. This blast is going to run off in the second chamber. About to.
So starting from there,
Let me wear shoes.
I will wash the plate, so we need tissue, right, to clean it up.
I will wash. Let's go. You eat the food, I will wash.
Tissue, we have to eat in this.
Okay. First, let's wash now. We can. But are you going to serve in the kitchen? Okay, we will see first.
Yeah, we have to. No need to wash.
Why?
Just leave it. I will take it.
Shut up. Please. I can't keep phone here, na?
Telling you.
Yeah, you tell me first.
I'm telling you, take the paratha, make it, I will give you. I will wash it tomorrow or later.
Yeah, you tell me. Let's see what I'm asking.
Please,
No.
wash now.
No. You tell me first. Where is this rubber? Tell me.
You
She is not telling me rubber or anything. Tell me.
You have to make
No.
paratha.
I will tell you how to make rubber. Tell me rubber. Yeah, tell me that I will start washing.
This is the paratha I bought from
from Tesco. It's a good tea for students who are living in the UK. So get it. They have a lot of varieties for this brand like onion paratha, aloo paratha, wholemeal chapati, everything. Okay, so you can buy anything whatever you like. So we bought today this paratha, and it's what like it's 190, and there are 5. So first tell me when is this cover, otherwise I will start cleaning these.
Hear me first, hear me. We will enjoy food, please.
Tell me
Please.
I will start washing these.
That's not mine. Listen to me first of all.
I'm going to wash these.
Sister, listen. I will tell you don't need to enjoy food. Please, don't, please.
Do that.
I'm not doing anything. You have to do this.
No, that is yours.
I'm
going to
not
clean
doing
this.
this.
I'm going to clean this.
Let's eat too much. Nothing. No, just
I will clean this.
No,
No.
Carol, you start to do, please.
No.
We don't have time.
I know I will.
No. We don't have time, sister. Listen to me. We don't have time. Just we will prepare it now. Listen to me, please. Why don't you listen? It's not mine. It's not.
No.
I will not.
No. This is your
This is my review.
No problem. I don't want it.
Sister, listen. One minute. Why don't you? I can't. Okay, sister, please. Use this. No, use this. I don't like this as well.
They are okay. But I means, huh?
What are you doing? He will come. You will leave soon. I know. You, I don't like you. I hate you, sister. I hate you. I hate you really. Please, let's cook it. How was it?
Yeah, the pan is heated. Yeah,
Stop it. I'm with you. You're not listening to me. Very bad.
yeah, first tell me.
I don't like you. I'm not telling you.
Okay, tell me where I can keep your.
You don't come and make this. What I'm telling you, what you are doing.
Your plate.
So,
First tell me where I can keep this thing.
this diary. Yeah, here I will diary.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
What are you doing with this? Why are you watching it right now? We can't have it and then watch it now.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm not preparing. You have to prepare. I don't know how to prepare.
I'm telling you. First heat the pan. That you can do it.
No, I can't do anything.
I'm with you.
I can't. Then go, please.
Yeah, I will go. First you.
I told you I never do this. Why are you doing like this?
I'm telling you that you will learn without me. You can also.
I don't
Where I
like
can keep it.
I have put here. Let's make do this after.
It's fine, yeah. Please don't do like that. Let me do this. This is water is tasting. See, they have to make up.
You are very bad. So you are doing like we can clean it after having food, right?
Yeah. No, Saturday you will be like.
No. Sister, why are you listening to me? Why are you
Why are you listening to me? Yeah, I'm listening to you.
No. So, how can I open this?
That is also I have to tell. Right? She doesn't know how to open the packet.
I hate you. I don't really like you.
So it's starts separately. Yeah.
Oh, no. How many do you want?
Hey, only one not more than that. Seriously, I'm taking.
I'm just taking two then. Not that good. It's very bad. Let me see how bad you are. Me? You did whatever you want, okay? You did whatever you want.
No, still not complete. Yeah, this water, your sister the same thing. In my kitchen, that I got me. They have that. Like one time you get very good.
No, just put here.
Like this.
Yeah. Now do this. That's
So
what
I wash my hand.
Very bad girl. Go.
That's it. Wait.
Go bad girl. No, it does so.
She is very
Come here. You touch this.
What?
Right? You touch this now. It does so by some. You touch this thing. Okay.
Cut. Okay, give me something to bite.
You told me to bring it to you later. So here.
Yeah.
Is this paratha? Like this. Or you microwave oven?
No, this. You can see this here.
How many minutes it takes?
Yes. You are ready. You are in my good.
The moment it will be like.
Little bit brown. That's good.
Oh. You know, in our place the paratha is different.
In my place also. This is good.
But I'm saying paratha means totally different.
Yeah.
You say that lacha paratha. Lacha paratha.
That is like roll.
Yeah, that is paratha.
Oh, you call only lacha paratha?
हाँ.
We have different types of paratha. Lacha paratha, we call lacha paratha.
हाँ.
Plain paratha, we call plain paratha.
Plain paratha means?
This is plain paratha. Like plain simple. You have to apply just ghee butter, that's all.
That is chapati for us. What?
Chapati, when we don't apply any oil or ghee,
हाँ.
ghee we apply after making chapati. Like once you prepare chapati, now you are keeping it out in some plate or hot pot. Then you apply butter, ghee from out. Then we call it chapati. But by preparing this, if you apply oil or ghee, then we call paratha. And if you start with potato, some gravy, then you call aloo paratha. If you start with some cauliflower masala, then you call cauliflower paratha in the gobi paratha. So we have like different kind of paratha like that.
For us everything is chapati.
The thing which I got in Riley, that was aloo paratha. It was not properly.
No, you bring something. Paneer.
Paneer paratha also and aloo
What
paratha.
did you bring on the day? But it was
Chana paratha. That was aloo paratha.
no, not all paratha.
But some paratha.
Is it done?
Yeah. The rest you stored in the fridge now?
Yeah.
Freezer for me.
Please.
I bring this.
Also. Really good, sister.
Really good. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Ki, instead of that whole thing, na, it's not that much heavy as we prepare at home, but it's much better than that wrap.
Like for
So finally we are going to have our dinner, and after that
We will leave.
After that, yeah, I will leave. I have to. So till the time, you guys,
Bye.
bye bye. Ta-da.